So here we are in a standard data product that we've just created from a series of retail data across an ERP, CRM system, ordering, customer interactions, etc. And our good friends in the data team have provided great sets of data. But in this data, there's something that I particularly need around, as a marketing analyst, around price bands and understanding how products fit within those price bands. Now, it doesn't exist in the data itself. So how would I deal with that? Typically I'd have to raise a ticket, have that some change somewhere in a pipeline or some sort of process, and someone would create that at some point in time. But I don't have time for that. I need to have that available right now. So the way we deal with that in Lattice, when you're building a data product, you can build transformations of any type. Complex, simple, calculations, aggregations, you name it, you can do it. So in this example, we're going to choose the transform functionality. And again, as a marketing analyst, I don't know how to code. That's why I'm using Lattice. It's a zero code AI-powered platform. So I have no idea how to create a price band. I might be able to know how to do that in Excel, but I don't know how to do that in a traditional data engineering sense. So again, as I said, we are AI-powered. We have natural language throughout the product. In this case, for a transform, I can just add what I want. So in this case, I'm going to create a new column in my data product or a new element. It's called price band. And in this case, I've given it a definition of what I want the price bands to be. Again, this is like any AI. You can give it as much information as you like and it will be more accurate. You can give it less information and ask the AI to do more work. It's however you feel is best for you. So if I choose transform, the agent will now determine by scanning the information that's available within the data product across metadata and the data and understand what's needed. Now it's created that for us. Again, if you know Lattice, it is a metadata layer. So we don't hold any data. We're providing a metadata representation of a data product and then executing in real time against source systems. So whether that's structured or unstructured. So if I now go to preview data and I load that data, you'll get to see that transform in that definition. Now I can continue to iterate through this until I get what I want that meets my needs for what I'm trying to do. So now you can see the price band appearing. Again, this doesn't exist in your source data. It doesn't exist in your source analytical system. This is a representation of the data as it is displayed to the end user. So now if you access this data product with anything that you like to use, Power BI, Excel, Lattice GPT, Slack, whatever your tool of choice is, you'll now have access to that information.